back to business. So this was fun. Welcome to the Trenchless Technologies, the Freedom Way. We're here in an Episcopal church in Fairfax County, replacing a defective water service for a service building off the end. And this is what we got. So down here, you'll see that it's kind of buried in water right now, but that's the water pipe that we just replaced. And what we ended up doing is we sent in a drill from this machine into the ground, and then we just took a long trip under beautiful grass, trees, and driveway. Check this out. For a grand total of 180 feet of drilling through rocky ground and muddy, plus a lot of roots, and then pulling back a 1-inch black poly plastic water line, connecting it to the building, and then to this building, and then blasting that puppy back on and giving this building a whole new life. That's what you got. Green Technologies, which is the Trenchless Technologies, done the Freedom Way. Booyah! Anyways, give us a call if you have a leak. Freedom Plumbers, 703-895-4109, or you can email us at scheduling@freedomplumbers.com, or schedule on the website at www.freedomplumbers.com. We'll catch you on the next one.